I think the inspiration was very much young people, to be fair. This was quite a long process to get where we wanted to because it was a devised piece. There was quite a long research period. So this kicked off in July, and we worked with different focus groups and different people who had been through our processes before, and lots of different young people who had been through our learning programs and our performance projects over the past 10 years. And we gave them different stimuli till we understood what really stuck with them and where we wanted to go with this piece. Be a bit aware of the space, because there was a bit of clutter here, but you said before. Yes?
Fid-dinja tal-lum għadu jeżisti l-kunċett tat-tajjeb min jigdeb dejjem jinqbad. X'jgħid Pinocchio li kieku jkollu jgħix illum? Dan huwa dak li jesploraw bil-kitba u d-direzzjoni Anton Saliba u Jean Marc Cafa. Fil-Giddieb Għomru Twil, produzzjoni ta' Studio 18 u Spazju Kreattiv.
I think when it came to choosing the tale itself, it wasn't a matter of it having to be Pinocchio. I think it was Pinocchio that fit. So after we had the first part of the research process, and we spoke to a lot of young people, we then boiled it down to 3 different stimuli, and one of them was Pinocchio.
We have to make sure we have enough to keep us going, eh? As such, so what your observations noted keen as they were was our way of coping.
When we did come to rewrite it and adapt it, we kept themes and motifs from the other 2 stimuli. So there are parts of it that are inspired by another play, and there are parts of it that are inspired by a historical event that happened, I think, in the 15th century. So there are a lot of things that helped us put it together so that it remained very colourful.
RP, Gut and I sponsor a person in need every year.
We basically allow them to invest in our business and we give them back their returns tenfold. It's a money-making tree, honestly.
Nice. And I think Gut will agree with me here.
Oh, I do.
When I say I think we found this year's recipient.
That's huge.
X'inhu?
Għandek il-karattri li inti mdorri segwi fl-istorja tradizzjonali ta' Pinocchio. Però kollha għandhom dik id-daqsxejn ta' ispirazzjoni wkoll minn karattri Maltin u għandek dik id-daqsxejn ta' tluq minn dawk il-karattri li inti mdorri tara u mbagħad ħadnihom fas-soċjetà tal-lum. Jiġifieri għandek il-volp l-qattus, għandek il-grillu li huwa l-cricket li huwa l-kuxjenza ta' Pinocchio, ma għandek karattri oħra illi huma ispirati wkoll minn annimali bħalma huma ispirati l-volp u l-qattus illi jieħdu xejra ta' karattri tipiċi Maltin.
Business as usual, you look on the books, and then at the end of the day you sign later shorta waħda x'taħseb, bro.
Oh, there's a nice little something for you.
Check, a little token of appreciation.
Karattu tiegħi huwa Pinocchio, bażikament huwa jiena jfakkarni ħafna fis-sens naħseb li kull persuna tista' tirrelata ftit ma' Pinocchio għaliex naħseb li kull persuna tixtieq illi xi darba tilħaq il-massimu ta' suċċess li jista' jkollha u Pinocchio dak li jixtieq. Jiġifieri Pinocchio maħniex ħanaraw il-Pinocchio li mdorrijin naraw illi huwa tifel qed jipprova ma jikdibx il-missieru. Din id-darba missieru Ġappetto miet u issa Pinocchio ġie l-art ġdida illi hija metafora ta' Malta fl-aħħar mill-aħħar. U Pinocchio jixtieq illi jażel dak li hu tajjeb għalih u għandu dil-ġlieda mal-kuxjenza tiegħu il-ħin kollu dwar x'inhu tajjeb u x'inhu ħażin sabiex fl-aħħar jilħaq il-quċċata tas-sellum li tirrappreżenta il-social hierarchy biex niftehmu.
I remember that this I just move it slightly so it's somewhere here.
Ġewwa Spazju Kreattiv fi 17, 18 u 19 ta' Marzu. Narawkom.
Look around you, Pinocchio. Look at that tower up on that hill shining oh so magnificently. Do you really think that people got there without a little bit of help? Without trusting in their fellow man? I mean,